Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how you can get ChatGPT Go account for 1 year. Yes, you are listening right. For 1 year and 0 rupees. Yes, you have to pay nothing for this. This is a great offer that is provided by ChatGPT right now. And many times you happen that you do searches on ChatGPT or you want to generate images, and after few images it's give you a error message that limit has been applied on you. So for that you can upgrade to go or plus, but plus is now, it was costing 399 rupees, but now it's almost 0 rupees. I mean free for 12 months. Yes, 1 year. And how you can avail, check out in front of you. You will when open you will open ChatGPT, go to click on option upgrade for free, and after that you will see a try go free for 12 months, and click on upgrade to go. And after that it will ask you about your credit card details. If you don't have credit card, you can enter your UPI. Was choosing UPI, and after that you have to enter your address manually, and after that tick on this term and condition tick button, and after that just click on proceed or subscribe, and after that you will get a auto mandate option. And click you will have to click on you will be charged amount for a listed above. After that, when you subscribe to this, you have to auto mandate on your UPI or credit card by entering the pin, and after that your account will be free for 1 year. Your go plan will be activated. So what you can do and what you cannot do, keep in mind that after 12 months, after a year, you will be charged. Keep in mind that. And after that you have to, before that you have to disconnect your credit card or UPI, or otherwise you can just switch your plan from go to free plan if you want. So hope you understood that how you can get a free plan for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.